Many fairly common Chinese characters are frustratingly elusive and confusing. They're easy to recognize but almost impossible to write from memory, so everyone hates them. The Korean word uk and the Vietnamese word up both come from the Chinese word yu and have the same meaning, but we only use three alphabet letters to write the word in Korean and two in Vietnamese. The simplified Chinese character has eight strokes and a radical component that has nothing to do with the meaning of the character. The video is about the form of the traditional character yu, a character which originally meant fragrant. The initial meaning has changed to two unrelated meanings, lush and depressed, meanings that are not obvious no matter how hard we look at the evolution of the character. We are dealing with a 19-stroke character with components such as lin, meaning forest, probably the only one to have anything to do with the concept of lush. But the rest of the components, if we analyze the evolution of the character, we still feel like groping in the dark for something that can help us anchor the shape of the character. So you'll probably understand and agree with me when I say that the character you is frustratingly elusive. Luckily, it occurs in some very common words and expressions such as 郁闷, depressed, 郁郁而死, to die of grief, 郁郁苍苍, lush, 忧郁症, depression, 郁郁寡欢, to be in the blues. So, which character do you find frustratingly elusive for the headache it gives you when you want to write it down? Give your answers in the comments section. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, turn on notifications. See you in the next episode.